The moment the 2027 Mercedes-Benz G-Class rolls into view, it doesn't just arrive. It takes over the entire street. This is not the kind of SUV that quietly blends into traffic. It's a machine built to dominate attention with military-inspired toughness, ultra-luxury presence, and a custom OQTA transformation that turns the legendary G Wagon into something even more aggressive and exclusive. From the deep exhaust growl to the towering stance and razor-sharp LED lighting, every angle feels like a luxury armored beast crafted for celebrities, athletes, and those who refuse to drive anything ordinary. And with a rumored price pushing well beyond the $250,000 mark depending on customization, this isn't simply transportation anymore. It's a statement of power and status. What makes this G Wagon unforgettable is the way it mixes timeless design with futuristic aggression. The iconic boxy silhouette remains instantly recognizable, but OQTA takes it to another level with wider fenders, massive blacked-out wheels, carbon fiber accents, redesigned bumpers, and an intimidating road presence that feels almost cinematic. Even standing still, the SUV looks like it's moving with purpose. Open the heavy doors and the atmosphere changes completely. Inside, you're surrounded by handcrafted leather, ambient lighting flowing across the cabin, oversized digital displays, premium metal finishes, and luxury details that feel closer to a private jet than an SUV. Every seat feels commanding, every surface feels expensive, and every drive feels like an event. Under the hood, the 2027 G Wagon by OQTA is expected to carry a monstrous twin-turbo V8 engine delivering brutal acceleration despite its massive size. The sound alone is enough to turn heads blocks away, while the advanced suspension system keeps the ride surprisingly smooth and composed. Push the throttle and the SUV launches forward with shocking force, combining raw AMG-style performance with off-road DNA that made the G-Class legendary in the first place. Whether it's carving through city streets, cruising highways at night, or climbing rough terrain, the G Wagon feels unstoppable. Yet somehow, even with all that power, it still delivers a refined driving experience that isolates passengers from noise and chaos outside. Technology and safety are equally impressive. Massive touchscreen displays, intelligent driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, augmented reality navigation, premium surround sound, and advanced off-road driving modes make the SUV feel incredibly modern. It's also surprisingly practical for such an exotic machine, offering generous cargo space, comfortable rear seating, and the confidence to handle bad weather or rough roads with ease. Still, the G Wagon isn't perfect. Its massive dimensions can make tight city parking frustrating. Fuel economy will never be its strongest point, and the ride can still feel heavy compared to sport-focused luxury SUVs. But honestly, nobody buys a G Wagon expecting subtlety or efficiency. The real magic of the 2027 G Wagon by OQTA is the feeling it creates every single time you see it, hear it, or step inside it. This SUV is for people who want luxury without sacrificing presence, performance without losing capability, and exclusivity without compromise. In a world full of crossovers that all look the same, the G Wagon continues to stand alone as an icon, bold, unapologetic, and instantly recognizable. And with OQTA's custom vision pushing the design even further into the future, this machine becomes more than just a vehicle. It becomes an experience people will remember long after it disappears down the road.